To eat is a necessity, but to eat intelligently is an art. My name is Mohit Gupta. I'm a banking and finance professional based in JLT. This 21-day fitness challenge program has been a huge success. My thanks and appreciation to the entire Payas team, Rajesh Bhai, Bhageshri ji, for all their efforts, leadership, and guidance for this highly organized and well-structured program. As all other participants have already highlighted the immense benefit they have received from this program. So I'd like to just talk about and touch base on the two additional points on how this program has positively impacted my lifestyle, gave a boost to my immunity and my energy levels. Waking up in Brahm Muhurat, which is 48 minutes before the sunrise, is a proven concept. I have implemented this and this has led me to follow something what I call 2 hours of double power. I developed this habit of waking up at 4:30 a.m. I started practicing meditation. Developed the habit of daily morning walk in GLT Park, followed by sun gazing, followed by breathing exercises and yoga in the park. These 2 dedicated hours for my personal wellness had doubled the productivity and efficiency levels. And even my energy levels has gone up to the next level. Second major learning what I had from the program was the 1 grain concept. This is very profound and is very helpful for the digestion process. Now we as family are very mindful of what we eat and how we eat it. We are very cautious of chewing the food 32 times, to drink our solids and eat our liquids. Investment in our health and wellness is the best investment one can do. And as they say, journey of 1,000 miles start with a single step. So this 21-day program is my first step towards a lifelong journey of transformation for better well-being. Thank you and wishing you all a healthy life ahead.
Hello everyone, I am Binal Chariwala from Sharjah. बिफोर दिस चैलेंज 21 डेज चैलेंज मेरी हमेशा एक टैगलाइन रहती थी कि 9:30-10 बजे के बाद अगर बच्चों ने परेशान किया तो मैं नाउ ममा इज़ ऑफलाइन, डोंट गिव एनी टास्क टू मी, नाउ आई एम टायर्ड. लेकिन जैसे आफ्टर चैलेंजिंग 2-3 डेज बाद मैंने ऑब्जर्व किया कि सुबह में 4:30 बजे उठ रहे हैं, एक्सरसाइज कर रहे हैं, घर का काम है, ऑफिस का काम है, फिर भी 9:30-10 बजे के बाद भी एनर्जी का लेवल सुबह का था उतना ही है, बिल्कुल थकान महसूस नहीं हो रही है. दैट इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट कि एनर्जी लेवल डे टू डे बढ़ा है ये चैलेंजेस के बाद. दूसरी के मुझे नीज़ का प्रॉब्लम हो रहा था, तो घर पे इंडिया पे बात होती थी तो भैया वगैरह कहते थे हाँ आफ्टर 40 दिस इज़ नॉर्मल, ये सब तो होना ही है मीन्स. लेकिन आफ्टर दिस चैलेंज मैं उसको कहती हूँ आई एम 40 ईयर्स बट स्टिल आई हैव एनर्जी लाइक द 25 ईयर्स. तो ये मीन्स इतना फ़ायदा हुआ है ये चैलेंजेस से कि आई डोंट बिलीव इट कि बॉडी क्या मांग रही थी और हम लोग क्या दे रहे थे. बॉडी कुछ खाने के लिए ज़रूरत इतनी थी ही नहीं, लेकिन हम लोग इतना खा रहे थे, ऐसा लग रहा था कि फालतू की चीज़ें खा रहे थे. थैंक यू सो मच राजेश भाई, भाग्यश्री भाभी फॉर द यमीएस्ट रेसिपीज़, नीतू, डॉक्टर नीतू एंड द होल यास टीम्स. थैंक यू सो मच टू गिव अस सच ए वंडरफुल चांस टू नो आवर बॉडी इन अ राइट वे. थैंक यू सो मच.
Hi everybody, Jai Janendra, Namaskar. My name is Bhanu. I'm in the food and beverage business where I run a food and beverage consulting company, and I manage 2 restaurants also. Last 21 days have been a beautiful journey. We ourselves have been fairly conscious about the kind of lifestyle we lead and the kind of food we eat, and it's not just now but for the past few years. But these 21 days were a very good refresher in terms of revisiting all that we've been practicing, and very thankful to everybody who's been supporting, who's been contributing and helping, encouraging everybody to maintain and follow the same thing. Special thanks to Rajesh ji. I think it's been wonderful to have those 2 Friday sessions with you, where we could actually learn a lot from what others were doing. I would personally say one thing, apart from the exercises, apart from the diets, one thing which I would have never thought of leaving has been my habit of having tea. And frankly, this is the first time in my life where I realized that I've not had a cup of tea for the last 21 days. I definitely had a cup of coffee for a business meeting, but tea is something which I could not fathom leaving. And I guess as things move forward, I definitely will be more conscious about it. Apart from this, I think we all have been exposed to some amazing nutritional facts and a lot of greens that we've been eating. We definitely would imbibe those as a part of our life going forward. Uh, I was not very regular with the 11 exercises, but to that point, I would ensure that I do an half an hour to 40 minutes of yoga every day in the morning, and that definitely would address most of those exercises. But I commit as in would ensure that this lifestyle will continue. And thank you, Rajeshi, for taking it so beautifully. Thank you, Pias yoga team, who were always there to support in terms of any queries. And I carry very good memories. And thank you so much.
मैं प्राची अमित शाह एनर्जाइज बर दुबई की हिरल बैंक के ग्रुप से हूँ। मैं हाउस वाइफ हूँ और मैं सबसे पहले तो थैंक यू कहना चाहूंगी राजेश भाई को, भाग्यश्री जी को और होल पीआर टीम को कि जिन्होंने इतना अच्छा डाइट प्लान है और 21 डेज वेलनेस का चैलेंज का इतना अच्छे से प्लान किया है कि कभी भी हमें पूरे 21 डेज में कभी भी हमें थकान महसूस नहीं हुई, कभी भी ऐसे फील नहीं हुआ कि यार खाना नहीं खाया है या कुछ प्रॉपर नहीं हो रहा है, ऐसे कभी भी फील नहीं हुआ। इसलिए थैंक यू सो मच। फर्स्ट तो सुबह में मॉर्निंग वॉक तो बहुत ही अच्छा लगता था क्योंकि बहुत टाइम से मैं सोच रही थी मॉर्निंग वॉक का, लेकिन हो ही नहीं रहा था। ये 21 डेज के वेलनेस चैलेंज की वजह से मैं एवरीडे मॉर्निंग ऑलमोस्ट फर्स्ट 2-3 किलोमीटर से स्टार्ट करके अभी लास्ट 8-10 डेज से मैं 5 किलोमीटर जा सकती हूँ, और वो भी एम्प्टी स्टमक पानी पी के जाना वो मेरे लिए बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट था। मुझे पहले दिन तो लगा ही नहीं था कि मैं कर पाऊंगी करके, लेकिन अभी मैंने वो भी स्टार्ट किया है पानी पीना। और होल सबसे बेस्ट तो यहाँ पे रेसिपी भी मिल जाती थी, इसलिए बहुत डिफिकल्ट नहीं जाता था कि क्या बनाए कैसे बनाए। इसलिए थैंक यू सो मच भाग्यश्री जी और राजेश जी, थैंक यू सो मच।
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम अमित शाह है। मैं सॉफ्टवेयर कंपनी में फाइनेंस मैनेजर हूँ। 21 डेज वेलनेस चैलेंज के बारे में जब राजेश जी से मैंने सुना तो मेरा मन किया कि इसमें जुड़ जाए, क्योंकि उन्होंने बहुत अच्छी तरह से हमको समझाया था कि ये प्रोग्राम क्या है और इसके क्या बेनिफिट्स है। तो जब मैंने चालू किया तो मुझे पहले थोड़ा तकलीफ हो गया, लेकिन बाद में बहुत अच्छा लगने लगा, क्योंकि इसमें जो पूरे दिन की दिनचर्या दी है वो बहुत अच्छी दी है। सुबह उठने से लेके रात सोने तक क्या क्या टाइम पे क्या किया जाए, क्या खाया जाए, क्या पिया जाए, कैसे खाया जाए, कितना खाया जाए, बहुत अच्छे से समझाया हुआ है। और राजेश जी ने हमको बहुत अच्छे से ये करने के लिए प्रोत्साहित किया और समय समय पे हमें सूचनाएं दी कि हमारे क्वेश्चंस क्वेरी सॉल्व किए। तो बहुत अच्छी तरह से हमें अच्छा लगा। प्रोग्राम बहुत बेहतरीन है और इसके फायदे भी बहुत अच्छे हैं। थैंक यू सो मच राजेश जी को धन्यवाद, भाग्यश्री भाभी को भी धन्यवाद, उन्होंने इतनी अच्छी रेसिपीज हमको समझाई सब। एंड पियास ग्रुप और नीतू जी को भी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम प्रेमा जैन है। पिछले 21 दिन हमारे लिए बहुत ही अच्छे रहे। सुबह जल्दी उठना और रात को जल्दी सोना, ये काफ़ी अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा। और हेल्दी फूड जिसमें बिना ऑयल, बिना घी, बिना शुगर और बिना मिल्क सारे जूस जो बनते थे, और डाइट चार्ट जो था वो काफ़ी अच्छा था। थैंक्स टू पियास टीम, राजेश भैया एंड भाग्यश्री भाभी, थैंक्स अ लॉट।
My name is Ankur Nabeda and I am a chartered accountant by profession. It is really good that Rajesh Ji Jain and Team PS has taken this wellness initiative or wellness program. Otherwise, I would have missed this great opportunity. As this wellness program started, by following daily practices and diets, I started feeling lighter and more lighter, and at the same time more energetic. And I also felt my productivity is getting increased day by day. This wellness program has given me much more than what I have expected at the beginning. My productivity increased, my immunity improved, and my sleeping pattern changed in a great way. And this has become possible only because of Rajesh Ji Jain and Team PS. I thank you each and every one of you for making this possible. And it is very well said by Rajesh Ji Jain, there are two great medicines. First is diet and second is self-control. And nurture your mind and it will nurture your workplace. And I am experiencing this. And to experience this once again, I am looking forward to visit PS. And I also recommend each and everyone should visit PS and at least stay there for 10 days.
Jai Jinendra, I am Divya Mehta, a homemaker. The experience of 21 days wellness challenge has been excellent for me because हम कोई भी कभी विग्रस डाइट फॉलो करते हैं तो जब जैसे ही हम वो बंद कर देते हैं तो उसके साइड इफेक्ट्स हमें नजर आते हैं. लेकिन ये जो हमने 21 डेज का वेलनेस चैलेंज वाली जो डाइट है उसको हम आगे आराम से कंटिन्यू कर सकते हैं और वीक में 3-4 दिन भी अगर हम ब्रेकफास्ट और डिनर से कार्ब्स हटा सकते हैं तो आराम से इसको हम फॉलो कर सकते हैं. और जो हमको इतनी अच्छी अच्छी रेसिपीज दी है उनसे हम विदाउट मिल्क भी शेक्स एंड सब बना सकते हैं तो उसमें हमको बहुत अच्छा लगा. और जो जल्दी उठ के जो वॉक करनी है, एक्सरसाइज करनी है और पानी पीना है, रात को जल्दी सोना है तो आधी हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम उससे वैसे ही ठीक हो जाएगी. इस जर्नी में अनशन, अनोदरी आदि त्याग तब भी आसानी से हो गए. बार बार खाने की जो प्रॉब्लम होती है, मंचिंग करना या फॉल्स हंगर की प्रॉब्लम आसानी से दूर हो गई. थैंक्स टू ऑल द ऑर्गेनाइजर्स, संदीप भाई, राजेश भाई, भाग्यश्री भाभी, डॉक्टर बालर एंड पियास टीम. मैं आगे भी पियास टीम से जुड़े रहना चाहूंगी. जय जिनेंद्र.
Pranam, Biren Kumar Jasani. I run a company, Jasani LLC, trading in corporate gifting, promotional items, and nowadays in PPE materials also. अच्छा, ये 21 डेज का जो वेलनेस प्रोग्राम पियास के सौजन्य से जो हम लोगों ने किया उसमें डेफिनेटली फ़ायदा बहुत हुआ है. आई फील मच लाइटर और एनर्जी लेवल्स तो बहुत हाई रहती है. मैं चाय नहीं पी रहा हूँ जो मैं पहले हमेशा 2 चाय दिन में पी लेता था या 2 या 3 चाय या कॉफ़ी पी लेता था, वो बिल्कुल अभी बंद कर दिया है. तो ये तो डेफिनेटली फ़ायदा है. अब ये सब चीज़ जब बंद करते हैं और अच्छा ही जब खाते हैं और लाइट भी रहते हैं तो पूरी सिस्टम बहुत अच्छी तरह से चल रही है. सो डेफिनेटली बिग एडवांटेजेस. आई कैन फील सम डिटॉक्स इफेक्ट ऑल्सो हैज़ हैपेंड टू मी. दो मैंने 100% नहीं मैं फॉलो कर पा रहा था क्योंकि थोड़ा सा मैं ज़्यादा बिजी था, तो उसकी वजह से उठना और सोना और ये जब चीज़ों और मेडिटेशन, ये 3 चीज़ों में मेरा वीकनेस था जो मैं नहीं ढंग से कर पा रहा था. उसके बावजूद मुझे इतना महसूस हुआ है. तो अगर मैं यही सोचता हूँ कि अगर मैंने पूरा ढंग से किया होता तो शायद पूरा बॉडी चेंज हो जाता और पूरा नया इंजन आ जाता. ऐसे मुझे फील हो रहा है. थैंक यू सो मच.
Hello, I'm Asmita Singhi and I'm a risk and compliance professional working in the banking industry. This challenge of 21 days has been an experience in itself. We started off a little skeptical. Will we be able to do it? होगा नहीं होगा, कैसे होगा, सब कुछ follow होगा नहीं होगा. But then as the rules were explained and the whole process flow, okay, you can repeat certain items, certain things can be managed in a certain way to adjust more to our lifestyle. So it went out pretty smoothly. we had to make some the challenge. There were challenges actually, because you are in a habit of doing certain things in a certain way. You just have this routine that you follow, and you have to change it to a new routine. So you were having a few lapses of the old routine in terms of your tea drinking habits, change in your sleeping hours. But the day I noticed that I followed the entire journey to the dot tea that day, the energy levels were very good. And if you lapsed once in a while, then instantly you could see the effect on your energy levels. So it does all tie up to the drinking of 3 to 4 liters of water, sleeping on time, getting up on time, doing the practices in a very correct manner. Eventually, throughout the whole journey, I think that we got into a routine which we can now follow and practice, and try to go as much as we can into the whole routine. It has been a beautiful journey, and I want to thank all the organizers, Mr. Rajesh, Dr. Neetu, Dr. Mahinder, and all the organizers back in PIAS for such a wonderful experience. And I would recommend it for everyone to at least give it a try, and you could make it your lifestyle. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Sanjay Jain. I am in the diamond industry. Thanks for giving us an opportunity to sharing our experience. Last 21 days we had a very good experience. We enjoyed a lot. Best thing is to wake up early morning. I lost 2.5 kg. Best thing is we come to know the difference between real life and commercial life. Thanks to JSM, Rajesh ji and PIAS and whoever connected with this program, with excellent program. Thanks a lot.
Hi, my name is Falguni Sheth from Dubai. I am a yoga instructor by profession. I would like to appreciate Rajesh ji, Bhagyashree ji, Dr. Neetu ji, Dr. Mahendra ji and the PIAS team and Jain Seva Mission for introducing me to the 21 Days Wellness Challenge. It has worked wonders for me. You won't believe, I have stopped my hypertension medicine within just 1 week of the program. Every time I have measured my blood pressure, it has come in the normal range. In addition, I have lost some weight also, which I had gained during lockdown period. The best part about it was Bhagyashree ji's menu. I was looking forward to making the recipes every day, and my whole family was certainly looking forward to eating it. I would like to thank the whole PIAS team for organizing such a wonderfully thought out program. Thank you so much.
Hello, I am Rajendran, real estate developer. She is Sri Lakshmi. We both are participants of this 21 days program. During these 21 days, we feel very confident and feel light. Apart from these 21 days, we have been to Bangalore for PIAS Center for a week. There under Dr. Neetu ji, we got good experience and lot of exercise training and all. From that day onwards, we are followers of PIAS. So along with that, we are continuing this 21 days journey. During our journey from PIAS, I quit all the medicines. Now I am medicine free. So I request you, all of you, to continue this journey in your life. Thank you.
Myself Sanjay, engineer by profession. This wellness program was an awakening call for us. Awakening in the sense that it had shown us how we are living all this day and how the life is all about. जैसे बोलते हैं ना कि किसी ने आईना दिखाया, तो ये एक आईना दिखाने जैसा ही था कि किस अंधी दौड़ में हम लोग दौड़ रहे थे. I was always feeling a heaviness while I was getting up, my day-to-day routine was totally dependent upon grains. I was addict of teas, and ये प्रोग्राम ने उस मिथ को तोड़ दिया जो मेरे दिमाग में था कि I was waking up early in the morning and feeling so like myself, so focused. We are using almost no grains in our day-to-day life now, but we are feeling more energetic. I am totally stopped the teas, which I never thought of. It was an addiction to me, but I totally get rid of that. तो ये program has benefited like anything to me and provided me a wonderful way of living, a art of living. I want to convey my special thanks to Piya's team, Mr. Rajesh, for organizing this well crafted program, and with this my concept of health has totally changed to a wellness oriented.
Jai Jinendra. My name is Sangeeta Mehta. I am a homemaker. The biggest takeaway from 21 Days Wellness Challenge was to wake up 48 minutes before sunrise, which helped me to complete my samayik, my morning walk and my breathing exercise peacefully, and also kept me energetic throughout the day. Secondly, I learned that this program was never about starving but eating right food, and was truly helped by Bhagyashree ji by sharing healthy recipes. I really thank Rajesh Bhai Jain, Dr. Neetu ji and the whole of Piya's group for organizing this wellness challenge. Thank you. Jai Jinendra.
Jai Jinendra. My name is Harish Gandhi. I am from Sharjah team. First of all, thank you Rajesh Bhai and team Piyas. It was a wonderful journey. You took it to the different level. Earlier also we've been to all the wellness programs, been to Bangalore also. But this time sitting at home and doing all those activities what we used to do there, everything was perfect. It has given us a new life now. To wake up in the morning, no breakfast, but you still don't feel like getting that. After that, one grain lunch, and then that saute and vegetables and those soups in the evening. Wonderful. Also, the exercise what you have given is very simple, but if you do with that breathing practice, that is wonderful, and I can feel that change. My stomach really, I feel like very light. I can bend, I can move very well, and I am really sure with this exercise you don't need to go to gym or those things. Do your walk, little jog, and that exercises, and keep the diet controlled as you have already told. I think that's wonderful. Really, really, really good to have in this team. Thank you for your effort, and thank you to Bhabhi also for her those recipes. Wonderful. Thank you. Thank you.
Jai Jinendra, happy and healthy every moment to one and all. सबको लग रहा होगा कि ये कैसे ग्रीट कर रहे हैं, लेकिन ये सच है कि हमको एवरी मोमेंट हेल्दी जीनी चाहिए, हैप्पीली जीनी चाहिए, और इसके लिए हमने ये 21 डेज का वेलनेस प्रोग्राम ज्वाइन किया है। जिसमें हम काफी सारी चीजें करने का सिर्फ सोच रहे थे, लेकिन अभी हम कर रहे हैं, जैसे कार्ब्स कम खाना, वॉक पे जाना, प्राणायाम करना। और ये सब चीज हम पहले सोच के नहीं कर पा रहे थे रेगुलरली, अभी हमने करना शुरू कर दिया है और हम अच्छा फील कर रहे हैं, एनर्जेटिक फील कर रहे हैं। थैंक यू सो मच राजेश जी, डॉक्टर नीतू जी, डॉक्टर बालर जी, पियास टीम एंड JSM ग्रुप, जिसने हमको हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल जीने का सिखाया है। आगे जाके हमको कभी भी हिंसक दवाई खाने की जरूरत ना पड़ जाए, ऐसा प्रोग्राम सेट कर दिया है। स्पेशल थैंक यू टू भाग्यश्री, जिसने हमारे लिए रेसिपीज बनाई है, वीडियो बना के भेजा है और हमको बहुत हेल्पफुल हुआ है, जो हम आगे जाके भी फॉलो कर पाएंगे। और थैंक यू सो मच हमको हेल्थी लाइफस्टाइल जीने का एनकरेजमेंट करने के लिए।
Hello, good morning, Jai Jinendra, Rajesh Bhai and the PIAS team. My name is Rajesh Shah. I'm an engineer from the profession. This 21 days has really changed my life in a lot of positivity. I learned that we have to drink our solids and eat our liquids and always do the things with a smile and eat with your slowly using all your 32 teeth. Drink a lot of water starting from the morning. Do every day 5-kilometer walk. And of course I don't drink tea, coffee, so it was not an issue. And always do the things, activities which involve the family and do in a spiritual way. I am definitely going to continue lot of these activities going forward and hope that we have more and more of these type of sessions from Rajesh Bhai and the PIAS group. Thank you very much once again for all the efforts.
जय जिनेंद्र, मेरा नाम सुनीता सिंघवी है और मैं थैंक्स दूंगी फर्स्ट राजेश जी और भाग्यश्री जी को, जिन्होंने हमें इतना स्वर्णिम अवसर प्रदान किया कि मेरे पास शब्द नहीं है उसके लिए। और भाग्यश्री जी, आपने तो बहुत ही अच्छा डाइट प्लान आप भेजते थे और हमें बनाने में भी बहुत मजा आता था। और फर्स्ट थिंग मैं अपनी हेल्थ के हिसाब से कहूँगी कि मैंने घर में रहकर 20,000 स्टेप्स रोज करती थी और एक दिन मैंने 30,000 स्टेप्स भी किए। मैं घर से बाहर नहीं गई, मैंने घर पे बालकनी में और घर पे ही किया, तो मुझे बहुत ही फायदा हुआ। और आगे यही मैं कामना करती हूँ कि आप इतना सुंदर अवसर हमारे लिए फिर से और लाएंगे। थैंक यू सो मच। और पियास टीम को भी मेरी तरफ से बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं।
Jai Jinendra. My name is Jigar Dedia. I'm a chartered accountant and I work for a financial software company. I thoroughly enjoyed this 21 days program. The 3 key things I would like to stress which I enjoyed the most. First, waking up so early in the morning. It kept me fresh throughout the day, as well as gave me a lot of energy and time to do the work or plan the day throughout. The second thing was stop eating those fried foods and swap them with vegetables, fruits and nuts. The third thing was the overall diet plan as well, from morning water till the evening too. So that also, reduced some of my fat, and though I did not lose a lot of weight, but it at least kept me energized during the day. I also enjoyed doing IMBILs on titis with 1 grain. This was the new experience for me. Overall, it was pleasure. It gave me a lot of pleasure in these 21 days. I would like to use this opportunity to thank all the organizers, PIAS team, Rajesh Bhai, Bhagyashri Bhabi, as well as our group who kept me motivated throughout the 21 days. Thank you.
Jai Jinendra. My name is Divya Sunil Zaveri. I'm a practicing chartered accountant by profession and I'm one of the group leaders for Dubai chapter. Winston Churchill once said, healthy citizens are the greatest assets of any country. और हमें ये करंट सिचुएशन में पता लग गया, ह्यूमन बॉडी इज अ वंडरफुल एंड अमेजिंग मशीन. ये 21 डेज चैलेंज में JSM ने और पियास की टीम ने मिलके हमें हमारा बॉडी क्लींस करने का बहुत ही अच्छा मौका दिया. ये प्रोग्राम में कितना सब दिया, लाइफस्टाइल चेंज करने का मौका दिया, फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल से हमारा डाइजेशन इम्प्रूव किया, पानी से कितने फ़ायदे हो रहे हैं, पानी पीना कंपलसरी बनाया, योगा, एक्सरसाइज, एंड सबसे बढ़िया getting up early before sunrise, and I love it. I really admire. This has given 2 extra hours in my life. In full day I get 2 extra hours and I'm really enjoying, I'm loving it. मैं अर्ली राइजिंग करके मॉर्निंग वॉक करने जाती हूँ, फिर वहाँ विटामिन डी लेते हुए मेडिटेशन भी कर लेती हूँ. ये प्रोग्राम इज़ अ ग्रैंड सक्सेस, आई मस्ट एडमिट, एंड वी थैंक यू पियास सो मच.
जय जिनेंद्र. मेरा नाम राजू कोठारी है और ये मेरी वाइफ शिल्पा कोठारी. हम लोग दुबई में 31 ईयर्स से हैं और मेरा गोल्ड का काम है. और इस बार जो राजेश भाई ने 21 डेज का जो चैलेंज उठाया था वो बहुत सक्सेस रहा है. और राजेश भाई ने तहे दिल से सबको पर्सनली मैसेज किया है, पर्सनली लुक आफ्टर किया है. हर एक को एक एक चीज़ का इन्होंने बहुत ध्यान रखा है, जो कि राजेश भाई बिजनेस छोड़ के भी ये हेल्थ के लिए, मतलब आप रात को 12 बजे भी बोलो तो एनी टाइम रेडी है. और हेल्थ के लिए तो राजेश भाई मतलब बोलते ना कि एक बार धंधे को भी छोड़ देवे. मतलब रियली हेड्स ऑफ है राजेश भाई की पूरी फैमिली को, नीतू जी को, भाग्यश्री को और शिल्पा भी. कुछ
मैंने राजेश भाई का ये चैलेंज एक्सेप्ट किया बिकॉज ऑफ राजू, क्योंकि मैं तो राजेश भाई के यहाँ पर ऊटी उत्सव करके आई हूँ, तो मुझे काफी कुछ नॉलेज था, लेकिन मैं चाहती थी ये नॉलेज राजू को भी मिले. और ये 21 चैलेंज का राजू पे कुछ इफेक्ट आया, लेकिन आया है. जैसे हमारी रूटीन रोज लेट सोना, लेट उठना ये था, लेकिन काफी हद तक हमने चेंज किया और पूरी कोशिश भी की जैसे जल्दी सोए और जल्दी उठे. और खाने की लाइफस्टाइल काफी चेंज किया, जैसे जूसेस वगैरह राजेश भाई भाग्यश्री ने जो अच्छी अच्छी वैरायटी हमको जो दिया, तो हमें वो भी बहुत अच्छा लगा. इनफैक्ट राजू को भी बहुत मजा आया वो खाने में. लेकिन ये 21 डेज मुझे थोड़ा सा कम लग रहा था. अगर और राजेश भाई भाग्यश्री लोग थोड़ा एक्सटेंड करके 21 डेज और कर दें तो मेरे ख्याल से राजू और थोड़े से अच्छे मेंटेन हो जाए. और थैंक यू नीतू जी एंड महेंद्र जी, थैंक यू.
Hi, Jai Jinendra. My name is Kshitij Shah and I work as a network engineer in Emircom here in Dubai. Okay, so I would first like to thank Rajesh Uncle and Pia's team for creating such a wonderful program. Yeah, at first when I listened to this program from my uncle, it felt quite difficult and actually impossible for me when I went through this. But after like looking at those meetings, when I started doing the program, slowly I started to get it. Okay, waking up for me was a very difficult task because earlier I used to wake like 8-9 o'clock, but then after a certain period of time I got used to it. First I started waking 2-3 minutes before sunrise, sorry 2-3 minutes before sunrise, but later on I started waking around 40 minutes before sunrise, and it was a great feeling to roam around in the morning, have a great walk. That time of the morning is beautiful and I got to experience it because of you guys. Next thing I had is the weight loss. I wanted to do weight loss since a lot of months, but I was falling a bit behind on workout schedules. But after doing this, I partially achieved my goal in weight loss, and now I'll continue doing this program to completely achieve it. Okay. Now, this program has made me feel light, not only physically but mentally also. Like the entire day goes by lightly and I don't feel any stress or anything. That's it. Thank you, guys.
Jai Jinendra and good morning everyone. My name is Forum and I am currently an events manager in UAE. First of all, I would love to thank Rajesh Uncle and the entire PR's team for this beautiful 21-day initiative. I personally had a lot of fun doing it. One main challenge that I had faced initially was waking up early in the morning between 4 and 4:30. But eventually when I got the hang of it, it was tremendous. I loved waking up early in the morning and going for 5-kilometer walks with my family and having a lot more positive family time, I would say. And even today the challenge is over, but I think just catching the sunrise is so contagious that I've actually caught it today again. So if you can see, I've caught the sunrise. So yeah, I think the entire challenge was beautifully designed, and I would love to thank even Bhagyashri auntie for all the amazing tasty recipes that she taught us how to make. And truthfully, like, I did not know that there were so many meals that I could have without carbs in it. So it was really nice and delicious. Every day we used to wake up saying, oh, what is there today, what is new today, and we were also excited to make it. So thank you so much to the entire team for this beautiful challenge, and it's personally given me a lot more energy, and I hope to make this waking up early, at least make it a habit for a long time. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Kavi Seth. I am a chartered accountant by profession, working as an internal audit manager with a multinational bank based in DFC.
Hi, and I am Hiral Seth and I am a homemaker.
Let me tell you and share my experience of this 21 days challenge. Initially I had a difficulty leaving my tea and daily routine, but by the time I progressed on this 21 days challenge, I improved a lot. I started waking up on time and sleeping on time, and I reduced my carbohydrates and proteins.
And for me, like when they gave us all the recipes to eat in the evening and the juices, I used to feel, oh God, I have to drink this and eat this. But eventually I started making them, and for my surprise, they were really very delicious. And I was waiting every day for a new recipe and a new juice to be introduced to us. And because of this, my water intake, which I never used to increase, I have increased it a lot.
I am drinking water in the morning at least, and during the day at least 3 to 4 liters. And I've shedded almost 4 kilo of weight, and I lose a couple of inches from my waist and from my shoulder. I'm definitely going to continue this journey for a long period of time. I thank you everyone, all the organizers, Pious team, Rajesh Bhai for putting this program.
Jai Jinendra, I am Vikas Jain. By profession, I am into investment and wealth management. I would like to thank Rajesh Bhai and whole PR's team to design this 21 days wellness program for us to improve our day-to-day life, immunity, health. So in last 21 days, I lost almost 7 to 8 kg weight, and also it's improved my lot of internal immunity system and stamina. And I also like to thank my Sharjah team to always motivate to complete this 21 days program. So thanks a lot everyone.
Jai Jinendra, Urvashi Shah from Sharjah Group. I am in profession, I am a housewife.
Yeah, this is Roman Shah, and yes, I am a chemical engineer by profession, working in project management. So just wanted to go through the 21 days program that we had as a habit forming program. Extremely nice, I would say, and the discipline that we have gained by sleeping early and waking up early in the morning while going for the morning walks exceeding progressively from 5 kilometers to 7-8 kilometers has been extremely nice with exercises and meditation, stretch-ups, and beautiful juices that we had. I would say that even though the program is getting decimated right now, we are going to continue. And I would request Bhagyashri that if she has got some more recipes to send, please do send us those recipes. It has been very nice to have all those juices and the thick shakes which have been coming around. Well, that's all from our side. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Jai Jinendra, I am Viresh Shah. I am working as a purchase manager in chemical company. I would like to thank you, Rajesh ji, Dr. Neetu ji, Dr. Mahendra ji, whole PR's team and JSM for giving me chance to attend this wonderful 21 days wellness program. It has helped me a lot. To point out few benefits, first of all, I have increased my stamina. Before this program, I could barely run for 5 minutes at a stretch. But on 28th day, I ran for 20 minutes at a stretch without any problem. Second major benefit I got is I lost 3 kg weight in just 21 days, which is amazing. Once again, I would like to thank entire team who has organized this wonderful program, and I would like to continue this in my life ahead.
My name is Dr. Jayesh Shah, and I'm a pediatrician working in Sharjah at Doctors Medical Center in a private practice.
Hi, my name is Ayushi and I'm his daughter. I am also a medical graduate and I'll be joining residency soon. Both of us had taken up the 21-day fitness challenge, and I have lost 3 kgs. He has lost 5 kilos. And more than losing weight, we've discovered a lot of new recipes. We've discovered a healthy way of living. I used to have tea and coffee every day, but ever since the challenge, I stopped having tea. In fact, I really like the herbal tea that has been suggested. I also like the tikkis and the different dinner recipes that were sent. So I think it's going to make a lifelong, or at least a long-lasting change. Because I really enjoyed the food that was also a part of the plan.
We also took the benefit of having our immunity boost, because I am directly involved in a COVID care. We see everyday patient who probably might be having corona infection, but with the special diet, a lot of vegetables and fruits and use of herbal tea, that definitely it might have boosted my immunity, so it indirectly helps in fighting against the COVID. Indirectly, in fact, we both of us want to thank Mr. Rajesh Jain and full his team of PRs to have a marvelous program, and we like that this community benefit keep on going on. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Jai Jinev, this is Tanu, and I was a part of 21-day wellness challenge. So past 21 days has been an amazing life-changing experience for me. I've now consciously started eating, and earlier we actually used to just sit and gulp our food. Now we have actually started chewing our food, and we've realized the benefits of chewing. Now we've experienced it, and the water intake has increased. Yoga, walking and kriyas, they've become now a part of our daily routine. And end of the day, yes, I feel very light, and also the energy is very good throughout the day. So I wish that we continue to follow the same diet chart and exercises in future as well. So yes, thank you Rajesh Bhai, Bhagyashri ji, and all PR's team for giving us this opportunity. And yes, thank you. Jai Jinev.
Hello everyone, Jai Jinendra. I am Suhasini, and I am a homemaker. Today, this 21 days wellness challenge has brought a great consistency basically for me. 3 years back I had been to Utsav program at Ooty, and due to that over there we were taught about ABCDS, that is awareness, breathing, consistency, diet and smile. Diet, since last 3 years I was able to follow diet, but breathing means pranayam and exercise was not that consistent. But this 21 days challenge has brought that consistency in me, and hope it goes on further. And thank you very much Rajesh Bhai, Bhagyashri Bhabhi and Pia's team to bring this consistency in me. Thank you very much. It was a great journey and a wonderful experience.
Jai Jinendra. I am Parul Sangvi and I am a homemaker. This 21 days wellness program has been a beautiful journey for me and my family. Yoga, meditation and walking has become now a daily routine, and we have become more disciplined. We are more conscious about what we eat now, and it has improved my energy levels. I feel relaxed and fresh all the time. Thanks to Jain Seva Mission, Mr. Rajesh Jain and Bhagyashri ji specially for contributing and sharing such beautiful recipes with us. We would also like to thank doctors from PIAS, Dr. Neetu Jain, Dr. Balar and all other doctors, those who have helped craft such a beautiful program. And what better time than during this COVID-19 pandemic. It has helped boost our immunity and overall fitness. Thanks once again.
Hello, my name is Shalini Ravani and I'm so happy that I have attended this 21 days wellness challenge. Thanks to Rajesh Bhai, Bhagyashri Bhabhi and the whole PIAS team. So these 21 days was actually a very wonderful experience for me, and leaving tea was the biggest challenge, and I have left it and I'm so happy and so glad. And not only the tea but also waking up early, doing the kriya, meditation and eating right at the right time. Thank you so much for each and everyone who has done the effort for us. Thank you so much.
Jinendra, Prakash Jain from Sharjah team, from Golden Jewelry Business से हैं हम. ये जो 21 दिन का वेलनेस प्रोग्राम था वो बहुत इफेक्टिव और बहुत अच्छा लगा मेरे को, बहुत अच्छा रहा मेरे लिए पर्सनली. और इसमें जैसे मॉर्निंग से लेके फिर मॉर्निंग से उठ के गर्म पानी पीना है, फिर वॉकिंग जाके आओ, फिर ब्रेकफास्ट इसका एक जो था, मैंने एक तो सुबह गर्म पानी पीने का पहले 1 गिलास जितना पीते थे, फिर 3 गिलास जितना किया गर्म पानी और बहुत अच्छा भी लगता था. उसके बाद वॉकिंग जाते थे. स्टार्टिंग मैंने 4-5 किलोमीटर चालू किया, एंड जाके 8 से 9 किलोमीटर तक मैं जा रहा था, तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था. और ब्रेकफास्ट बंद होने के बाद जो जूसेस जो थे, जो भाग्यश्री भाभी ने जो भेजे थे रेसिपीज जूसेस की, वो बहुत अच्छी लगी और एंजॉय कर रहा था. तो ब्रेकफास्ट स्टॉप हो गया, बट सब बोलते थे ब्रेकफास्ट तो हेल्दी करना चाहिए. मेरे को भी ऐसा लगता था, बट ब्रेकफास्ट बंद किया तो कुछ ऐसा लगा नहीं. जूसेस ज्यादा हेल्दी लगे उल्टे, और बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था. और पूरा दिन ज़्यादा स्टार्ट जैसे किया तो थोड़ा लग रहा, उसके बाद तो नॉर्मल पूरा दिन जा रहा था और मोर एनर्जेटिक और लग रहा था और एंजॉय भी कर रहे थे. एंड एनर्जी लेवल भी बढ़ गया था ना. और डिनर में भी जैसे वेजिटेबल सूप है और बाकी सब भी बहुत से अलग अलग रेसिपीज बना के बेचते थे, तो वो सब एंजॉय करते थे हम लोग, तो बहुत अच्छा लगा. और इन 21 दिनों में मैंने अपना 4 किलो वजन भी लूज किया है, जो बहुत अच्छा फील कर रहा हूँ. अभी बहुत लाइट फील कर रहा हूँ. दिस ऑल गोज थैंक यू गोइंग टू राजेश भाई, भाग्यश्री भाभी, पियास टीम, डॉक्टर नीतू जी, डॉक्टर महेंद्र जी, सबको बहुत बहुत थैंक यू. और मैं प्रोग्राम को एक टैगलाइन भी देना चाहूंगा कि ए हेल्दी आउटसाइड स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हेल्दी इनसाइड. सो ये टैगलाइन एक देना चाहूंगा. और राजेश भाई, इसको 21 दिन बहुत ऐसे कम लग रहे हैं, अभी 21 दिन कैसे खत्म हो के मालूम नहीं पड़ा. अगर हो सके तो उसको नेक्स्ट 21 डेज और करिए आगे एक्सटेंड, तो और भी हम लोग एंजॉय करेंगे और ज्यादा हेल्दी रहेंगे. अब ये मेरी जो रेगुलर जो लाइफ स्टाइल है उसमें भी बहुत से चेंजेस में ला लिए हैं। उसमें 21 दिनों में जो चेंजेस आए हैं तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कि फूड में जूसेस कभी लेना चाहिए, सलाद खाने के आधा घंटा पहले खाओ, बहुत अच्छा है लंच के पहले। तो ये सब जो चेंजेस लाए तो ये बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं, जो मैं आगे कंटिन्यू करूंगा मेरी लाइफ में भी। और मैं और एक चीज इसमें बताना चाहूंगा कि ये जो सब जो प्रोग्राम पूरा जो टास्क वगैरह सब जो भेजते थे, मैंने मेरे फैमिली के साथ इंडिया में भी शेयर किया और उनमें वो लोग भी कर रहे थे, उसमें से बहुत जन फॉलो कर रहे थे, कोई चीज नहीं कर रहे थे, बट 50-60% 70% जितने वो लोग भी शेयर कर रहे थे। मेरे फैमिली, मेरे ब्रदर को और मेरे सिस्टर को वगैरह भेजा उनको, तो दे ऑल्सो एंजॉय। एंड थैंक यू राजेश भाई, भाग्यश्री भाभी, डॉक्टर महेंद्र जी, डॉक्टर नीतू जी एंड ऑल द प्यास टीम। थैंक यू। जय जिनेन्द्र।
હું પારુલ બાબરિયા, જય જિનેન્દ્ર। અત્યાર સુધી તો ઘણા બધા ડાયટ ટ્રાય કર્યા હતા, પણ આ ડાયટમાં એવું બન્યું કે હવે આમ લાઈફસ્ટાઈલ જ બની ગઈ છે। આજે સવારથી પણ એમ જ થાય છે, આ રૂટીન જ બસ થઈ ગયું છે આમ। થેન્ક યુ વેરી મચ રાજેશજી, ભાગ્યશ્રીજી, અમારા ગ્રુપ લીડર નિશાંતજી અને પિયાસની ટીમ। થેન્ક યુ વેરી મચ।
वेलनेस एक बहुत ही आजकल का हॉट टॉपिक हो गया है एंड पीपल आर क्वाइट अ लॉट अवेयर अबाउट वेलनेस। ये 21 दिन का वेलनेस प्रोग्राम वाज अ रियली डिफरेंट एक्सपीरियंस फॉर अस। द बेस्ट पार्ट इज फॉर मी, आई एम जनरली not a morning person, but these 21 days getting up before sunrise, doing exercise, doing walking in the morning hours really seems very good for me. I already, because of this 21 days, most of the time now the habit has changed. अभी तो ऑटोमेटिक सुबह में आँख खुल जाती है before sunrise, and of course the food was very good. The first time I had seen that any wellness program is not having too much restrictions on the food. My breakfast go away, which is converted into liquid breakfast, all different kind of shakes, juices. I really thoroughly enjoyed those juices and shakes in the morning hours, time to time. वो भूख भी नहीं लगती थी उसकी वजह से, and a lot of liquid in the body. During the day started feeling very light, और she learned.
जय जिनेंद्र। सुबह उठने का मतलब ये हो गया कि ऐसा लग रहा था मैं वापस से स्कूल डेज में पहुंच रही हूँ और स्कूल के लिए उठ रही हूँ। बच्चों के स्कूल के लिए तो पहले भी उठते थे सनराइज से 1-2 घंटे पहले, बट दिस टाइम ऐसा लग रहा था मैं अपने लिए उठ रही हूँ। बहुत कुछ सीखा, बहुत अच्छा लगा। सारे जूसेस तो सच में रिफ्रेशिंग थे एंड लिटरली खाना तो ऐसा मज़ा आ रहा था बनाते हुए डेली का, ऐसे डिफरेंट तरीके से सौते वेजिटेबल्स, सूप्स, रियली एंजॉय। थैंक यू पियास टीम, थैंक यू राजेश भाई, थैंक यू भाग्यश्री जी, थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Hello everyone, myself Bhavin Jariwala. I am an engineer by profession working in the oil and gas industries. Basically, before joining this program, I was very much doubting that how would I manage this with my job routines and with daily schedules and all that. And I was really initially I was not much interested to join this. But let me tell you, after going through this 21 days of wellness challenge, I am feeling that if I would not have joined this program, I would have missed a big lifetime opportunity of this wellness. I would like to say that this wellness challenge has really been proven a wake-up call for me and my wife. This is a wake-up call for us for a better health, for a better wellness, and for a better tomorrow. We always dream that we should always get up in the morning, early in the morning. We should do the yoga, we should do the meditation. But that has never had happened in the life in the earlier. But after joining this 21 days of program, we have been really able to do all of this with the help of a very well organized Wellness Challenge. I am really thankful to Rajesh Bhai and his family, the whole team of PRs, for giving us this wonderful and a lifetime opportunity of wellness. And let me assure you that we will try to follow this for rest of our life. Thank you once again. Thank you everyone.
Good morning, everyone. This is Kavi Seth. I'm a chartered accountant by profession.
Jai Jinendra, I am Hiral Seth. I am a homemaker.
So during this 21 days challenge, we really gained a lot, both of us. We started waking up early. We are doing yoga continuously for last 21 days, and we want to continue this journey for longer time.
And regarding the food stuff, initially when they told no breakfast and only juices, I was surprised whether I'll be able to do it or not. Initial 3-4 days were difficult, but the recipes what ma'am had sent was excellent, and we all enjoyed this very much. Like my kids also eat that.
So thank you very much, entire PRs group, the organizer Rajesh Bhai and the Jain Seva Mission for putting this program together, and we are looking forward for this kind of program in future. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Good morning. मैं ईना संघवी फ्रॉम स्पोर्ट्स सिटी एरिया. सुबह सुबह जल्दी नहीं उठना, एक्सरसाइज नहीं करना, सुबह सुबह चाय पीना, ये मेरी वीकनेसेस है. अब मैं जल्दी उठ जाती हूँ, एक्सरसाइज कर रही हूँ और मॉर्निंग एंड इवनिंग वॉक्स कर रही हूँ. सिर्फ ये है कि मेरी चाय नहीं छूट रही है, लेकिन कम हो गई है. प्रोग्राम बहुत ही अच्छे से चल रहा था, लेकिन एक दिन मुझे बहुत ही वीकनेस हुई, तो फिर हमने डॉक्टर नीतू जी से कंसल्ट किया. नेक्स्ट डे सुबह डॉक्टर मिर्ज़ा जूम मीटिंग पे आए, ऑब्ज़र्व किया, करेक्शंस बताए. 2 दिन मैंने रेस्ट किया और ठीक भी हो गई. इन 2 दिनों में वेलनेस प्रोग्राम की वैल्यू मुझे पता चली. तो फिर उसके बाद मैंने बहुत ही अच्छे से, जो बाकी के दिन है बहुत ही अच्छे से मैंने फॉलो किया. द बेस्ट पार्ट इज़ द फूड मेन्यू. नेवर इमेजिन कि इवनिंग डिनर ग्रेनलेस मील इतना अच्छे से हो सकता है. सो थैंक यू भाग्यश्री फॉर शेयरिंग सच अ लवली रेसिपीज़. एंड ओवरऑल बहुत ही अच्छा लगा मुझे. आई फील सो कॉन्फिडेंट एंड पॉजिटिव. और मुझे द बेस्ट इज़ कि माई हस्बैंड इज़ वेरी हैप्पी. मैं जल्दी उठ रही हूँ और एक्सरसाइज भी कर रही हूँ. सो होप टू कंटिन्यू. थैंक यू राजेश जी एंड एंटायर पियास टीम फॉर कंडक्टिंग दिस प्रोग्राम.
जय जिनेंद्र एंड हेल्दी डे टू एवरीवन. ये 21 दिन की चैलेंज ने एक नया रूटीन, नई लाइफस्टाइल सेट कर दी. जैसे कि सुबह में जल्दी जागना, उसके लिए रात को जल्दी सोना, मॉर्निंग वॉक, योगा, प्राणायाम, एंड द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट ऑफ ऑल टू हैव इन डाइट लेस ऑफ कार्ब्स. एंड डिस्पाइट ऑल दैट यू फील हेल्दी. सो it was a great experience, and I'm sure that if we continue to follow, I think we'll not have problems and will not have to resort to those medicines which are so hinsak. So ये routine I have decided that I'll definitely be adopting and continuing going forward. So thank you Rajesh ji for taking this initiative. It was a very well thought of and very well planned and executed initiative. Special thank you to Bhagyashree Bhabi for giving all the recipes, and also the entire PIAS team, Dr. Neetu, Dr. Balar and their entire team for helping us during this journey, and I'm sure we'll all continue. Thank you so much again.
Jai Jinendra. I am Rajesh Jain, jeweler by profession.
I'm Asha Jain, a homemaker. We have a few takeaways which we are going to continue forever. Like getting up early in the morning, not 5 o'clock. I used to wake quite late before, but now like I started getting up at 7:15. So that is a plus point for me. And also we started loving the green juice, so we are going to continue that forever. And we love the herbal tea and soup and salads as it is we were having before meal, so that we are going to continue. And we are feeling very the kind of the combinations that you have given us, like the eating pattern and all, something which we can continue forever. And yeah, I'm feeling energetic, and I lost a little, though I didn't want to lose any weight, but I think it's been a really good journey, and thank you so much Team Piyaz, Rajesh Bhai, Bhageshri ji especially for giving such beautiful recipes, and some of them, yeah, I'm going to make always later on.
My takeaway from the wellness program is especially getting up in the morning before 5 o'clock, then having the herbal tea, going for a running and jogging 5 kilometers, and then having a green juice, and overall everything was super fantastic. And thanks a lot to Rajesh Bhai and team, Priyas and team, and the JSM who has taken the pain of setting up the whole system and giving something good for life to all the joint members. Thank you very much.
Now we've come for a wedding, and we ate the food that we always used to eat at parties and all, but today we are really feeling very, very guilty, and though we were very conscious about it, but while having mithai or dal bati, we were really very conscious. And yeah, I think the food habits थोड़ी अभी उसमें कुछ थोड़ा सा change definitely has come.
The most important thing कि अभी जो है खाने के टाइम पे एक अवेयरनेस आ गई है कि जो खा रहे ये गलत है, और एक गिल्ट फीलिंग आती है. इसका मतलब ये है कि आगे चल के स्लोली आप उसको कट डाउन करोगे, आप उसको स्टॉप करोगे. So I am really thankful to the whole team of wellness who has literally taken a pain and a care to make sure that all the participants or all the people who have done this have achieved something for life. Thank you very much.
Hello friends, this is Dolly Shah here from Badubai Group. The 21 days wellness program is a huge success, and I'm so happy to hear so many of us getting benefit out of it. Well, for me, in the beginning, mentally it was difficult to accept the change in the food pattern, but slowly I tried to change. Although I could not do it 100%, but I tried well. The main benefit for me was a change in the lifestyle, sleeping early in the night, getting up early in the morning, going for morning and evening walks, meditation, and those 11 exercises were very impactful. Then in the morning, getting fresh with the herbal tea, having different kind of juices were very interesting. Drink plenty of water was the main factor which I was following it very consciously. Thank you so much Bhageshri for sharing delicious recipe. Once again, a big thank to Rajesh Bhai, Bhageshri ji, and the whole Piyaz team for thinking about the society and getting a big change in each and everyone's lifestyle. Hope we continue the journey ahead. Thank you so much. Jai Jinendra.
Jai Jinendra. My name is Pallavi Jay Seth, housewife. ये जो 21 डेज का प्रोग्राम था इतना अच्छा रहा, और थैंक यू राजेश भाई एंड भाग्यश्री. ये प्रोग्राम था तो मुझे जो चाय का हैबिट था, सुबह उठ के पहले मुझे चाय चाहिए, वो मेरी चाय की आदत ही छूट गई एकदम. અને एकदम एनर्जेटिक दिन पूरा जाता था. हम लोग एक्सरसाइज भी करते थे, वॉक भी करते थे, पर इतना मजा आया ये पता नहीं चला कि कैसे 21 डेज हमारा हो गया. અને खाना पकाने में भी कोई झिझक नहीं हुई थी कि भाग्यश्री इतना अच्छा रेसिपी भेजती थी, वीडियो भेजती थी, तो आसानी से हमारा ये 21 डेज पूरा हो गया. अभी मैं सोचती हूँ राजेश भाई आगे भी ये प्रोग्राम करेगा, हम लोग सब आपके साथ ही है, और प्याज टीम वाले को मैं सबको धन्यवाद करती हूँ. थैंक यू सो मच.
Hi, this is Priya from Pondicherry. I'm a happy homemaker, and this is the first time I'm participating in this wellness program. It's quite an amazing journey for me, especially in the time of COVID-19 pandemic. Everybody has a lot of confusion about what to eat to improve our immunity. but Pias has offered a wonderful, excellent wellness program to which improves our immunity to the great extent. My heartfelt thanks to Pias of offering this wellness program for all. Especially their recipes are very good, and we are looking forward for more recipes like this. And once again, thanks Pias for teaching the wonderful recipes and exercise and more during this COVID-19 pandemic. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Manoj from Chennai and this is my mom Sandhya. I would like to thank Rajesh uncle and Pias team for this wonderful 21 days wellness program. This program has made a great positive change in our food and sleep pattern, especially the 5-kilometer morning walk and watching the sunrise with the family has made a great bonding amongst us. Once again, I thank you, Rajesh uncle and Pias team.
Jai Jinendra. On the onset, I would like to extend my gratitude towards the entire team of Pias, JSM, Rajesh Bhai and Bhagyashri ji for giving us this wonderful 21 days wellness program. Thank you so much. For my personal experience, I was going for walks, but now it has become a regular routine, a part of my life. I also realized that exercise need not mean sweating and pains and aches. Exercise can give you benefits even without sweating and pain. So thank you again for that. Coming to the food part, I enjoyed every bit of this. Right from the morning herbal tea, which kept me energized for the entire day. And imagining breakfast without carbs was something very difficult for me, but I enjoyed the thick milkshakes and the green juices a lot. Having the freedom to eat anything and any quantity in lunch, but the 1 grain restriction made all the difference. And lastly, coming to the dinner part, trying out all the new nutritious and delicious recipes and feeling light after having dinner was a really good takeaway from my side. And one more thing I would like to add here is, I will be able to continue this lifestyle in the future with or without the form, because when you feel good, when you feel healthy from within, the health shows outside also. And I'm feeling healthy from within now after this 21-day wellness program. Thank you so much.
Hi, my wellness family. I am Shekhar Patni. We are dealing in gold, diamond and silver jewelry. And last 21 days, believe me, it was really energetic and it is the changing of my life. Early morning उठना, meditation करना, योगा करना एंड द रूटीन वर्क बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. और मैं चाहूँगा कि ये जो वेलनेस प्रोग्राम है इसका पार्ट 2 भी ज़रूर से होना चाहिए. एंड आई वांट टू बी ए पार्ट ऑफ दैट प्रोग्राम. एंड आई स्पेशल थैंक्स टू राजेश भाई, नीतू जी, महेंद्र जी, भाग्यश्री जी and the whole Pias team. It is really changing a lot of people's life and आपने जो किया है without any personal interest, लेकिन आपने जो किया है it is बहुत अनुमोदनीय है. थैंक यू वेरी मच. हम सभी की ओर से आप सभी टीम को धन्यवाद करते हैं एंड थैंक्स वंस अगेन. थैंक यू.
Jai Jinendra friends, this is Anjali Masalia with you. I'm a chartered accountant by qualification, and I participated in this 21 days wellness program organized under the guidance of the Pias team and so very well coordinated here by Mr. Rajesh Jain and his wife. Few key things which were part of the program and I intend to carry it forward in my life. First and foremost, giving an early start to the day. just rescheduling myself an hour and a half earlier gave me such a good energetic start, it felt just so good, and it helped me stay enthusiastic and energetic through the day. So I intend to follow that even after the program has finished. The second thing, thanks to Mrs. Bhagyashree for all the lovely recipes that she shared. Drinking that, you could actually feel that your body is getting cleansed internally, and best is because we made it on our own, now it does not seem that difficult, and it's very well become a part of the routine. So I feel very fortunate and grateful that I could take up this program, as I definitely put on a lot of weight during this lockdown time. So the timing of this program was also perfectly suitable for me. So these are the few things, and I feel really fortunate that I was able to be a part of this program. Thank you very much.
Indra, namaskar, all dear listeners and fellow members in our wellness challenge for 21 days. It has been wonderful experience. I'm so happy that I joined this when I knew that I'm the senior most member, whether I will able to carry on with this for 21 days, but I found it very interesting and not at all difficult. I'm Rajni Shah, SME entrepreneur working and residing in Dubai for last 45 years. By profession, I'm engineer, but my passion is for healthcare and fitness. So I've been going to Jindal Nature Cure Institute for past 26 years. Every year I spend 10 to 12 days with my family, friends, neighbors, staff, fellow colleagues at Yoga Institute. But here in this journey, let me share what I achieved. Number one, morning waking up, drinking 2-3 glasses of water, or rather sipping water, and then going for a walk. I could manage with 6 kilometers for last 15 days. So that's a really good achievement for me, and I hope to continue that 6 kilometers for coming months and years. Number two, whatever diet plan chalked out by Bhagyashree ji, that's very useful.
Good evening, friends. Jai Janendra. This is Nishan Singhi. First of all, let me apologize for being one of the last few to share this video on our personal experiences during the journey on the wellness program for last 21 days, which just concluded yesterday. A very unique program, definitely. My personal experience has been a very different one than what I had thought to be. I've been into various programs, fitness challenges, but this was very, very different. Definitely not a weight loss program, because you had enough to eat during the day, of course the healthy one. Second, which I liked, very, very interesting fact was that the entire program, if you see, was pushing each one of us closer to the nature, basically the 5 elements of being in this world. More breathing, walking, being outside, lots and lots of water. All these things are basically nothing but 5 elements of nature. So yes, the program actually, while not directly, but if you see, it was pushing us all towards the 5 elements, which has to be in everybody's life on a daily basis. An extremely challenging journey, I would say, because it was changing your daily lifestyle. One biggest change that I have done personally is to avoid eating heavy during the dinner times, which I'll continue definitely. And Thanks to Rajesh ji, who actually initiated this, led this, and was personally coordinating each and every part of it. Probably it may not be this year, but by next year I'll definitely visit the center, which is Pias, which has been the epicenter of this entire journey. Thanks to Neetu ji, Mahinder ji, and of course one lady that needs no mention, Bhagyashree Bhavi, who has been virtually the best in terms of creating those videos personally, making each and every diet, a particular diet thing was being prepared at her house personally and shared the video. So thank you so much. Thank you everyone at Jain Seva Mission to organize this, and yeah, that's about it. So I'm sure everybody would continue this great journey. Take care.
A very happy evening to everyone. मेरा नाम प्रगति है and I am involved in one of the most intense jobs in the world of being a homemaker by being 24/7 on the toes and no छुट्टी at all. यह 21 दिन का wellness challenge was a beautiful opportunity to realize the ठहराव का एहसास in ज़िंदगी. This wonderful program gave an opportunity to practice gratitude time and again multiple times in the day. यह प्रोग्राम करते करते रियलाइज़ हुआ कि किस तरह प्रकृति हमें अपना सर्वस्व देकर हमको हर पल नरिश करती है. सो नरिशमेंट भी प्रकृति माँ से और रोगों का समाधान भी प्रकृति माँ से. सो इट गेव अ सेंस ऑफ एम्पावरमेंट कि मेरे हाथ में सब कुछ है और माँ प्रकृति की सहायता से मैं ही हूँ जो अपने लिए और दूसरों के लिए कुछ कर सकती हूँ. जब बोला कि खाना धीरे धीरे चबा के खाना है और प्लेट में शांति भाव से जब खाना खाने शुरू किया तो रियलाइज़ किया कि वह खाना जो प्लेट में है, जो मेरा पार्ट नहीं है, किस तरह से मेरे अंदर जाते ही मेरा एक अभिन्न अंग बन जाता है. इट नरिशेस मी, मेरे भावों को और मेरे शरीर को नरिश करता है. वो जल को धीरे धीरे पीना, कैसे ये मेरे शरीर का हिस्सा बन रहा है. इट इज़ बिकमिंग अ पार्ट ऑफ माई ब्लड, द पार्ट ऑफ माई बॉडी फ्लूइड्स, and how it is nourishing me, quenching me in every possible way. वह वायु जिसको प्राणायाम करते हुए एहसास हुआ कि किस तरह से यह प्राण शक्ति बनकर मेरी 72,000 नाड़ियों में घूम रही है, किस तरह से ये मेरा एनर्जी फोर्स बन रही है. और सन गेजिंग वॉज अ ब्यूटिफुल अपॉर्चुनिटी विच मेड मी रियलाइज कि किस तरह से वो सूर्य की ऊर्जा जो समस्त विश्व को, सारे प्लैनेट के एक एक पोर को ऊर्जामान कर रही है, प्रकाशमान कर रही है. इन द सिमिलर वे इट इज़ इन्फ्यूजिंग लाइफ एंड एनर्जी इन ईच एंड एवरी सेल ऑफ माई बॉडी एंड मैं निरोगी बन रही हूँ. और जब मेडिटेशन के लिए बैठे तो आकाश के तत्व का आभास हुआ कि किस तरह से इस स्टिलनेस की रियलाइजेशन से मेरी ज़िंदगी में जो कुछ हो रहा है उसके कैनवस के ऊपर हो रहा है. सो यह पांचों तत्वों का एहसास, जब हर चीज़ हमने ठहराव के साथ की, इन पांचों तत्वों का एहसास बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुली हुआ. एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस स्थिरता और संयम की महत्ता रीइंस्टेट हो गई. सो इट हैज़ बीन अ वंडरफुल जर्नी एंड आई कांट थैंक इनफ राजेश जी who has been so patiently and so diligently following each and everyone, motivating each and everyone, and the wonderful team of doctors from India who has been a brilliant support in this entire journey. We thank you and much gratitude from the core of my heart for designing and executing such a brilliant program. Thank you so much.
Jai Jinendra everyone, I am Lavanya and I am a homemaker and we are from the Hero Shade Bardabai group.
Jai Jindra, I am Bhavesh. I am a chartered accountant by profession. I work for a multinational company in Dubai. The 21-day program has been really fantastic. Everything right from the green juices, the shakes, to the different recipes during the day. Everything has been really wonderful. We really thank Rajesh ji, Pia's team for a fantastic job there.
The green juices have been really rejuvenating after a walk, 5-kilometer walk. And the shakes have done wonders in my house. My daughter, who's a swimmer, she needs a lot of protein intake in her diet, and I have been trying to phase off milk from her life, and which I surely will be able to do now, because I think the shakes provide a lot more energy. Without milk, it has been wonderful. So I would just like to thank everyone out there, Rajesh ji, Bhagyashree ji, Team Pias, all the doctors there, a very thoughtfully done program. Thank you so much, and we look forward to any such programs coming further ahead. Thank you. Jai Jinendra.
जय जिनेंद्र। हमारा नाम वैभव मोदी है और हम दुबई में 7 साल से हैं और यहाँ पर एक हाईटेक कंपनी में काम करते हैं। ये 21 दिनों की दास्तां हमने सोचा कुछ ऐसे अंदाजे बयां करते हैं। यह 21 दिन का असर कुछ ऐसा है, जिंदगी के बदले बदले अंदाज नजर आते हैं। 4:30 बजे उठते हैं अब हम, 4 गिलास पानी हम पी जाते हैं। 3 से 4 किलोमीटर का चलना हो जाता है, 3 से 4 किलोमीटर का चलना हो जाता है। उगते सूरज के भी हम दर्शन पाते हैं। दूध वाली कड़क चाय छोड़ अब हम हर्बल टी का हम लुफ्त उठाते हैं। 11 क्रिया और योगा करके हम सुस्ती दूर कर ऊर्जा से भर जाते हैं। पूरा अंदर से शरीर साफ हो जाए ऐसा, पूरा अंदर से शरीर साफ हो जाए ऐसा, ग्रीन जूस धीमे धीमे हम गटक जाते हैं। किसने सोचा था खजूर इतने मीठे होते हैं, किसने सोचा था खजूर इतने मीठे होते हैं। अब हम बादाम के साथ मीठा शेक पी जाते हैं। फल खाएं सलाद खाएं और मुस्कुराएं, फल खाएं सलाद खाएं और मुस्कुराएं। बहुत हल्का हमें यह महसूस कराते हैं। नए नए व्यंजन की जो रेसिपी आती है, नए नए व्यंजन की जो रेसिपी आती है, चटकारों के साथ हम प्लेट साफ कर जाते हैं। इन दिनों में कुछ ऐसा ही हुआ है कि हम, इन दिनों में कुछ ऐसा ही हुआ है कि हम पॉजिटिविटी और एनर्जी से भर जाते हैं। तहे दिल से राजेश भाई और पिया सीम का हम सब शुक्रिया अंदर से फरमाते हैं। अब यह जीने की कला हम न छोड़ेंगे, यह दृढ़ निश्चय कर सभी को बतलाते हैं। यह 21 दिन का असर कुछ ऐसा है, जिंदगी के बदले बदले अंदाज नजर आते हैं। जय जिनेंद्र।
Jai Jinendra, this is Megha. I am from Bar Dubai Hiral State Group. Thank you so much for this fantastic 21 days program. We got so much benefits in this. हम लोग को जल्दी सोना, जल्दी उठना और so much good breathing exercise, full day of energy. And especially thanks to Mrs. Bhagyashree who gives a good recipes and good food for dinner without grain. That's so much. Thank you for this.
Yeah, hi, my name is Chetan. I'm a chartered accountant by profession. The best thing I like about this program is basically the understanding of self-healing process, that to control that, to heal the body is completely in your hand. The kind of food which you eat, the kind of drinks which you drink, including the herbal tea, the green juices, and the discipline which you follow. That if you do this, basically, then you'll be disease free and you'll be really enjoying your life. The whole day is so much of energetic and energy completely. It's a fantastic program. Thank you so much to Rajesh bhai and the whole Pias doctor teams. And it's a really wonderful program, and we really look forward for this kind of programs in future as well. Thank you so much.
Hello, Jai Jinendra. My name is Sanjay Sanghvi. I am a chartered accountant working in investment company in Dubai. 21 days fitness challenge program organized by Pias and Rajesh bhai was really a great and exhilarating experience for me. The entire program was organized in 5 elements, which is very important. I have learned in the program. These 5 elements are A, B, C, D and S. A stands for awareness, B stands for breathing, C stands for consistency, D stands for diet, and S means smile. All these elements will help you cure naturally, and this is the greatest force in our life. I am not a morning person, but I am able to get up early in the morning, do exercise. I feel really light, energetic and productive throughout the day. This program has changed my life. It is said that it takes 21 days to put any action into habit, and I agree with the program organized for 21 days. I had attended the program in Rasa Kema for 3 days, but after that I was not consistent. So this consistency element.
जय जिनेंद्र, मेरा नाम समीर मनोहर शाह है। मैं आईटी फील्ड में काम करता हूँ। इन 21 दिनों में मैंने घर पे ही रह के उत्सव मनाना सीख लिया। मतलब 4 साल पहले मैंने और मेरे पिताजी ने ऊटी में उत्सव अटेंड किया था। इस प्रोग्राम में हमें बताया गया कि दवाइयों के सिवा हम कैसे जी सकते हैं। जबकि मुझे नेजल पॉलिप और ब्रोंकाइटिस था, फिर भी मैंने दवाइयाँ छोड़ दी। राजेश भाई के साथ मैंने योगा करना चालू किया, फिर भी मुझे हमेशा कोल्ड रहता था। फिर मैंने नीतू जी के गाइडेंस में पियाज में 10 दिन की ट्रीटमेंट ली। इस बार मैं, मेरी वाइफ और बच्चे, हम पूरे परिवार के साथ गए थे। इसका फायदा ये होता है कि उन्हें भी इस प्रोग्राम का इंपॉर्टेंस पता चलता है। इस प्रोग्राम में मुझे कुंजन, सूत्रनेति, जलनेति जैसी क्रियाएं सिखाई गई, जिससे मैं अपना कोल्ड कंट्रोल में रख सकूं। अभी 21 दिनों में ना ही मैंने कोई कुंजन किया है, ना ही कोई सूत्रनेति की है। सिर्फ जो प्रोग्राम आया था वो चार्ट फॉलो किया है, और ना ही मुझे एक भी दिन कुछ कोल्ड हुआ है, और तो और मेरी स्मेलिंग सेंसेस बढ़ गई है। थैंक्स टू JSM फॉर गिविंग दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी. Special thanks to all PR's doctors who actually built this program, and Rajesh bhai. Also thanks to Bhagyashree Bhabhi, who made us disappear the daily questions, Sanjay Su Banao. And of course, thanks to Sneha, who prepared all the diet as per the chart given. Thank you.